Hello, welcome back everyone. Today we're going to talk a little bit about what happened with Chinese stocks is they had an explosive day and basically one of the best days Chinese stocks has ever had. Now, just to be clear, this incredible day for Chinese stocks is boosted by the fact that China is basically stating they're going to boost the economy, they're going to support the markets. And a lot of people talking about it are even saying, oh my god, this is the best thing since sliced bread. Oh, they said exactly what we needed to hear, and this is why the market is reacting so well to it. Now, I'm not trying to discount this announcement from China. I actually have one of the statements right here. We must implement the decisions and arrangements of central leadership and substantially boost the economy in the first quarter. Now, I mean, the first quarter is basically almost over, so they're essentially saying action needs to happen now. So let's keep in mind, here in the United States, leadership says they're going to do positive things all the time. That doesn't mean it's going to come to fruition or that it's going to come to fruition right away. Now, is it a good thing that China is, saying, yeah, we need to boost our economy in the first quarter and actually watch ourselves in what we're doing and acknowledge that? Yes, that is good. But here's the point I'm making in this video, and it all has to do with looking at the companies you're investing in and fundamentals versus market perception. Market perception is what dragged these stocks way down to unreasonable levels. Market perception is what gave one of the best day for Chinese stocks that has ever existed. Chinese stocks had one of the worst days in the Chinese market they have ever had yesterday. Now today, they've had, again, one of the best days they have ever had. To me, it's all noise. Should these stocks have been beaten down as much as they have been? No. But should all of these stocks like Tencent and Alibaba, even though I think they are way beaten down and undervalued, should they have gone up over 30% in one day? No, especially based off of one little bit of news like this. What happened? Market perception said that everything was going wrong for Chinese stocks. Just the other day, most stocks, including Alibaba, hit the lowest they've been in 5 years. It wasn't just fear of the economy in China not doing well, it was a plethora of things. And yet one little tidbit about the economy where leadership says that's what they want to do and they haven't even improved it yet, and those stocks go absolutely nuts. These big moves happen because of market perception in noise and FUD. Regardless of the noise out there, whether it's bad like it's usually been, or today where it's been good. You come up with the value, you let the fundamentals and the numbers speak for themselves. Don't let market perception dictate what a stock is worth to you. And yes, them acknowledging that their economy needs some work is a good thing. However, it's just talk. As I said before, here in the U.S., leadership to, when someone's running to be president of the United States and they're duking it out, they're saying about all the good things they're going to do, but they don't accomplish half of those things. This is talk to look good. Nothing that's even been accomplished or done yet. And in fact, while a lot of this news was viewed as good, everybody didn't even really read in between the lines and read everything that was there. Some stuff was actually bad. Bad for some of the bigger companies like Alibaba and Tencent. I'm going to read a piece from one of the articles I found. It said regulators should complete the crackdown on China's major internet platform companies as soon as possible. Regulators cracking down on companies like Alibaba and Tencent, that's not good news. What? Although, as long as they are following guidelines and rules, there shouldn't be an issue. But if that was the only bit of news that had come out, they would have tanked even further to their lowest lows. I don't want to drag this video out, but I just want to make the point that fundamentals are all that matter. Look, don't get me wrong, if a bit of news that came out does actually fundamentally affect the company and the value in the numbers, that's different. But fundamentals are what matters. You running a valuation and finding a fair value or intrinsic value for the company is what matters. And that's what you should base your investing on, not all this short-term noise. Just yesterday, Chinese stocks were uninvestable. Today, Chinese stocks are the best thing since sliced bread. When people see something go down, 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 they avoid it. They avoid the red. When people see green, up, 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 I bet people weren't buying Alibaba at 75 a share, but today they were buying it at 100 a share. Because now they don't want to miss out on the green, 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 and the FOMO, and up, up, up. People are so easily tricked and fooled by market perception, by the noise out there, by what they hear. Put a little more stock and faith into fundamentals and the valuation you do and the intrinsic value you find for a company. Okay, everyone, I had to talk about this topic because it's been annoying me for a while, and it's applicable not just to Chinese stocks, but to any stocks. If you've done your valuation for the company and you know what it's worth to you according to your numbers, then you invest based on that, not market perception, and certainly not short-term noise that doesn't mean anything. All right, that's going to wrap this one up. Hopefully it didn't sound like I was just ranting on. I hope you've got something out of this video. But okay, until the next one, y'all have a great day.